Now wake the world and tell the people.
Try to remember those days of ska music. Who can recall those days of gold? Half the story has never been told, but now the truth is about to unfold. Ska music, jam music, ska music, jam music, yeah. From East Kingston via North Parade, South Camp Road way down to Beaumont Beach. Who cares a damn then about Marco Polo? All we want is to hear the solo. From Bull Bay all over concrete jungle, you could hear bass speaker them a rumble. Big steel on tie up in the tree. Rasta man just passing the coachie. Ska music, jam music, ska music, jam music, yeah. Don Drummond, Roland Alfonso, Tommy McCook and Johnny Moore, Judgery, Tony Brevet and Lloyd Nibs. Jackie Metu has all paid their dues. Respect is due and pass overdue. Scatterlights will be in history. Much respect if you want to jam it. Just remember to give the credits to ska music, yeah. Ska music. Ska-ba-dip-dap-dip-a-dip-a-dip-dap-day. Ska music, yeah. Can't forget Downbeat the ruler, better known as Studio One. Let's recall Duke Reed the Trojan, King State, Prince Buster and Sir Morgan. No disrespect if your name isn't mentioned. We all know you have made your contribution. From Brentford Road via Bond Street,